Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add Google search bar on Android home screen. Let's get started. So if you want to add a search bar to your home screen on your Android device, what you can do is just simply open up your Android device and then tap and hold on to your home screen. And after doing that, you will find this pop-up menu, and from here what you can do is just tap on this second option, which is widgets. So just tap on that second option, which is widgets, and after tapping on that, now you just have to scroll down and head over to your Chrome section, and you will access some Chrome widgets. So now what you can do is just scroll towards the left, and here you can find the search bar for Chrome. So there are two search bar, a new one and an old one. So if you want to add a old search bar, what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to it, and now you can place this search bar anywhere that you would like. So you can place this anywhere that you want. Just select a place and then drop it, and after dropping it, here you can see I successfully added that search bar to your home screen. So now if you don't like the search bar, then what you can do is again tap and hold on to it and then remove it, and then add some other widgets. Just tap on widget and then select a new search bar. Just hold on it and then drop it over your home screen, and you can use it. So that's it guys, this is how to add Google search bar on Android home screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.